This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Beth Page. Wonderful family-friendly home located in desirable Shannon Valley Farms. This home features an open floor plan with lots of natural light. Plenty of room for everyone with 4 bedrooms plus a bonus room, possible 5th bedroom, all on the 2nd level and includes loads of storage. The living room opens onto the deck which overlooks a flat, fenced-in backyard and pasture land that has horses and donkeys. The eat-in kitchen with sunny breakfast area has stainless steel appliances and leads to a separate dining room and double garage. Enjoy the amenities of a clubhouse, gym, pool and playground. Low county taxes. Convenient to Fountain City, parks and all the shopping you need. Owner/agent. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Page at 865-687-1111.